Hi, my name is Suman Lama, student ID EMV 25125. Today in this presentation, I'll be discussing about one of the commercial bank of Australia, Australia and New Zealand banking group, which is commonly known as ANZ. So we start with the introduction. This bank was founded in 1835, and this bank is headquartered in Melbourne. ANZ provides a wide range of banking and financial product and service to all retail customer, small businesses, large business, and other businesses. ANZ operates in 34 markets in the US, Europe, New Zealand, Australia, Asia Pacific, and the Middle East. Talking about the mission or the target of the company, they aim to improve the housing, environmental, and financial well-being outcomes for the community, which is why they aim to create a balanced and sustainable economy so everyone could take part and live a better life. Speaking about financial performance before COVID. Legal tax earning for the year ended September 30, 2019 decreased 7% from a year earlier to $5,953 million. Statutory on the equity capital was 10% and the statutory return per share was 210 cents, down 5% from the previous year. In the year 2020, the statutory income after tax for the year ended September 30, 2020 was 3,577 million, which was down by 47% from the previous year. The statutory return on equity capital was 5.9% and the statutory return on the share was 126.4 cents, which was down by 40% from the previous year too. Okay, about financial market of the company. ANZ provides a wide range of financial services throughout Australia. The global financial market of the ANZ's The global financial market business provides innovative solutions across key markets, foreign exchange, credit and interest rates, debt capital markets, and commodities. The sale and trading team of this company offers a wide range of financial market solutions such as bond, foreign exchange, commodities, interest rate risk management, credit trading, credit derivatives, and so on. Okay, three important questions in a corporate finance. Discussing about three important questions in a corporate finance. Three questions in corporate finance are capital budgeting, capital structure, and capital management, capital working management. Okay, talking about capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is one of the important aspects of corporate finance, which deals with the budgeting of or planning for the long-term investment. The long-term investment could vary from organization to organization, but organization may be small or big. At some point, it has or at some point it needs to do capital budgeting. The company might pose with decisions like buying a new machinery, venturing into a new business project, replacing an existing machine, buying or leasing. So, therefore, accurate evaluation or budgeting of the proposed this proposal is critical, as improper evaluation of poor decision can lead to significant loss for the company. Here we have another important aspect, capital structure. The capital structure shows the mix of debt and equity for the company. The mix of debt and equity for a company shows the funding structure of the company, the riskiness of borrowing practice in a company. Okay, working capital management. As capital budgeting deals with the long-term aspects, working capital management deals with the short-term aspects. Working capital management purpose is to ensure that company has a sufficient liquidity to meet its short-term liabilities. This focuses on managing the current assets and current liabilities. Therefore, if the working capital not properly managed, it can lead to a liquidity crisis for the company and can affect the day-to-day operation of the company. Okay, we're gonna talk about how did the company react during the COVID-19 pandemic period. So, as we know, COVID has affected entire world, and it has affected financial and health sector of entire world. The COVID pandemic affecting many business sector in Australia and around the world, causing a significant disruption to company health and economic activity, as I mentioned earlier. So, to overcome such problems or such tension, this group launched a support package for individual and commercial client, not in only Australia but in also New Zealand, including loan deferral option for up to 6 months during the year. ANZ continued to work with clients affected by coronavirus to restructure their loan and, in some circumstances, extend loan delay for additional period. Not only this, they had financial aid packages for home and business owner, liquidity and financial initiatives to strengthen the banking system, and regulatory change to capital requirement. Well, that's it. Thank you.